Today we'll be finding the length and angle in a right angle triangle using TOA CAH SOH Part 3. We're going to learn how to use the third formula, which is the SOH here. Now, how does this formula works? So if you look at the formula, okay, we can see that S is here, O is here, and H is here. So sine theta is actually equal to O over H. So recall again that this is your angle in a triangle, and these two lengths will be the length in a triangle. So now let's look at an example. Alright, so our first step will be to label all the sides of a triangle. So if you recall, opposite of the right angle, this will be our hypotenuse. And opposite of this angle, our x will be opposite. And lastly, the last length will be adjacent. So we can see that what we want to find is x, which is denoted by O, and we have h. So we can use the formula sine theta is O over h. So second step, usually we'll write down the formula. And last step, we will sub in all the values in. So we can see that sine 40 is equal to x over 5. So when we cross multiply, x is equal to 5 times sine 40 degree. So key this in your calculator, we will get 3.2130. Rounded off to 3SF, it will give us 3.21. Now we'll look at the next example to find an angle in a triangle. So recall, first step is to label. So opposite of this 7 will be your hypotenuse. Opposite of x, so this will be opposite, and the last side will be adjacent. So we can see that what we want to find is x, and we have O, which is 3, and h, which is 7. So we'll use the formula sine theta is opposite over h. So sine x will be equal to 3 over 7. To find x, we will put sine inverse on both sides. So sine inverse and sine will cancel off to actually give you x. So my x will be sine inverse 3 over 7. So if you key this in your calculator, you'll get 25.37, and you round it off to 1 dp, you'll get 25.4 degrees. So that's it.